You know what the school says, though, that a lot of these changes, for example, getting rid of the midnight ramp, which is when the students run out in their underwear or sometimes naked and perform a ritual on the field there. They say you didn't change that until after this investigation started. I mean, if you didn't like this culture, which you say dates back decades, why didn't you end it on your first day?
The culture in our band is entrenched. And because it's entrenched, it doesn't turn on a dime. And so on my first day, I did indeed engage with our leadership and our leadership team in trying to shape that culture and trying to eliminate poor behaviors. We have instituted a wonderful program of leadership training for our student leaders, as well as sex abuse training and alcohol abuse training. All of these trainings that we have instituted in our band have made it truly a better place since I've been the director.